On a beautiful day by the riverbank, a peaceful monk walked, soaking in the tranquility of nature. As he ambled alongside the flowing water, he noticed something alarming. A scorpion was struggling, desperately flailing its legs, fighting against the current and gasping for air. Without a second thought, the monk reached out his hand, intent on saving the creature from its perilous fate. But as soon as he touched it, the scorpion stung him sharply. Startled, he pulled back his hand, wincing in pain, but his heart didn't waver. He saw the scorpion still thrashing about, precariously close to drowning. Determined to save it, he extended his hand again, only to be met with another sting. Nearby, a passerby, watching this unfolding drama, couldn't help but question the monk's actions. The man was baffled as to why this gentle soul would risk getting stung repeatedly for a creature that seemed ungrateful. With a kind smile, the monk simply reflected on the nature of both himself and the scorpion. He understood that while it was the scorpion's nature to sting, it was his nature to save. He wouldn't allow the scorpion's nature to alter his own. The passerby was touched by this moment of wisdom. From that day forward, he learned a valuable lesson. True goodness shines bright in a world that sometimes feels harsh. It's vital to stay true to one's values and do good, not based on what others deserve, but because it's simply who we are.